वेलकम गाइस। मैं मामून रशीद एज पर कमिटमेंट अच्छी ਤੋਂ ਅੱਛੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਫਰਮ ਅਕ੍ਰੋਸ ਦ ਵਰਲਡ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ। ਅੱਜ ਜਿਸ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਰੂਬਰੂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਹਨ ਅਰਿਆਨ ਸਦੀਕੀ, ਜੋ ਓਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੈ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸ ਦਵਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਰਿਨੋਨਡ, ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੇ ਔਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਨਾਈਸ ਲੀਡਰ ਹੈ, ਯੂਥ ਲੀਡਰ ਹੈ। ਯੂਥ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਜ਼ੰਮਲ ਅਲੀ ਖਾਨ ਸ਼ੇਰਵਾਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਭਾਂਜਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ। ਔਰ ਬੜੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਉਮਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ। ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਐਡ ਆਨ ਕਰਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਦੱਸ ਰਿਹਾ, ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਰਿਆਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੇਜ਼ ਹੈ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਔਰ ਮੇ ਬੀ ਡਿਫਿਕਲਟੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਡੀਅנס ਨੂੰ। ਇਹ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਐਪਸ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ, ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਐਨਜੀਓ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਰਟੀਕਲਸ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਆ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂ 500 ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਡਿੰਗ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੁਆਇਨਡ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਬੇਸਡ, ਫ੍ਰੀ ਆਫ ਕਾਸਟ। ਆਪਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਅਰਿਆਨ ਸਦੀਕੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ। ਅਰਿਆਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ, ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ? ਆਈ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਯੂ ਟੂ ਮਾਈ ਚੈਨਲ ਰੀਸੈਂਟ ਟਾਈਮਸ।
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be on your platform. Hi, everyone. I'm Aryan Siddiqui, a 17-year-old who resides in Oman. But more than that, I am a scholar who has a burning passion for social entrepreneurship. I like to help my community out, whether that be in Malarkotla or in India or in Oman or Muscat. I like to use computer science as a way to help others and for social good. Through founding and managing organizations such as No One Will Sleep Hungry back in India, or as you mentioned, Oman Coding Society in Oman. As I said, computer science is this powerful tool which can be used to help and tackle real world problems. For the past few years, I have had this burning passion for computer science, and I like programming and coding, and especially mobile development, as you mentioned, and artificial intelligence. For mobile development, I've developed a lot of different apps. From No One Sleeps Hungry's app, I've developed social media apps like Instagram, like for Facebook. I've also developed radio apps for different organizations. Apart from that, I also like debating. Debating is where it's almost like public speaking, and I am the vice captain of the national team for Oman. I compete against other international teams, for example, the USA, the UK. I've competed in international tournaments such as in Hong Kong, in China, in Thailand. And so I really love computer science, and I love using computer science as a way to help the community around me and positively impact them.
Arun, I have a question. Your age is 17 years. At the age of 17s, 19s, what do people do? They play games, just roam with the students, their friends. They just go for roaming, and they go for playing. And you're thinking charity, you're thinking about your NGO, you're thinking about doing something for the community. Who inspired you for that?
Sure. So from a very young age, I would always visit my grandma's, or as known in Hindi, my nani's house in Malarkotla. And there's this beautiful concept of Sufism. Sufism is this idea of helping the community out. And back in Malarkotla, you have like the Baba Hadar Sheikh shrine. And there's this idea of spirituality, helping each other out. Growing up, I saw my grandpa and my grandma helping others, whether it be in the month of Ramadan, where they would give out food, or just helping when someone comes to their doorstep and giving them food, advice, or anything. So when I grew up, every summer visiting Malarkotla, I would get this sense of helping each other out, this interfaith harmony, because Sufism goes beyond religion. It's about connecting different backgrounds, connecting different religions. There isn't any boundaries between people because you can connect with everyone, and it's this idea of helping everyone. And so slowly, now as I age 17, 18, I recognize how important it is to help the community, to positively impact, because I believe every single 17-year-old, 18-year-old has the resources, the ability, the time to help individuals out, and the satisfaction you get from helping others is it's unparalleled. You can't. It's amazing.
Actually, I can say Sufism inspired you to do that, and you saw your grandma, grandpa doing charity. and they helping the poor people. That's why you got inspired and you started your NGO.
Yes.
Now I'll ask you about your NGO. Tell me something about your NGO.
Sure. So my organization is called No One Will Sleep Hungry, and my organization helps in transferring food to underprivileged or poor communities. Um, we have three main entities in our process: restaurants, NGOs, and the poor underprivileged communities. So in restaurants, often what happens is that food which is left over is thrown away, often garbage. And even though it's clean, it is thrown away because no one eats or utilizes it. In my organization, we help preserve food. We prevent food wastage by transferring all the excess food from the restaurants to the NGOs. And then the NGOs can transfer that food to the underprivileged communities. For example, in Malerkotla, there's so many restaurants and NGOs, and through Malerkotla, I want to transfer all the food from the restaurants in Malerkotla to all the NGOs and help all the individuals in Malerkotla, in Punjab, in India, or wherever I can help the community. To make sure everything works fine, I have developed mobile apps, as you have mentioned before. One mobile app is for restaurants and the other is for NGOs. For the restaurants, for example, you can upload food. You can take a picture of your food. You can write what type of food it is, the quantity. And then on the NGO app, you will see all the food items which the restaurants have put. And then the NGO can then click on a food item and it can order that food. Once the order has been placed, the NGO can collect the food from restaurants and give it to the underprivileged community. So that's what my organization is about.
Very nice concept. जो भी है बहुत अच्छा सोचा तुसी. Are you getting me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. My next question is, how many awards you have won till now? I mean, how many competitions you participated in, and how many awards you won?
I've won a lot of awards in different fields. For example, from maths, from computer science to debate. For example, in maths, I came first in the world for maths back 2 years ago. And for that award, around 4 million students sat the exam, and I came first out of 4 million students. So yeah, from a very young age, I've always loved maths. Maths is something which comes naturally to me. I love working with numbers. They give meaning to the world around me. And then for computer science, I won a lot of hackathons, which are coding competitions here in Oman. I'm currently doing a competition in Dubai, and I've reached the finals for that competition. And I am developing an app for that as well. And then for debate, I've also won a lot of international awards. As I said, we won in Thailand a huge award, and then in Hong Kong, I won a huge award as well. And so I've won a lot of awards throughout my journey of the past 3-4 years.
In which class you are?
I'm currently in grade 11, and soon I'll be going into grade 12.
Okay. Aryan, you're doing very well. As I listened, as I know from you. And what would be your appeal to the people of your age? What should they do, and how they can start? As you started from one place, you got inspired from your grandma, grandpapa, or you got inspired from the Sufism, and somebody will be inspired from you. You just started at very young age. And what would be your appeal to the people of your age?
So as a 17-year-old and as younger people, we have a lot of time on our hands. We have, unlike adults who have their busy work life and everything. So I believe that every person can take a bit of the time out of their schedule and help the community. And it doesn't have to be very big or an organization. By just talking to people in your community, for example, in Malerkotla, you can distribute food from your house to another house. And through that, over the next few months and over the years, you would help develop almost this process of helping the community out. So I would advise that for every 17-year-old like me to take some responsibility to help the community, because you feel this satisfaction. As I said, this idea of Sufism, it's very beautiful. And I think every 17-year-old, every teenager should use this, as I mentioned, to help the community out.
Okay. Aryan, you do you have some, I mean, friends? Do you play some games in your leisure time?
Sometimes when I get time from school and other organizations I'm running, but not a lot. I do tend to focus on my work quite a lot. I work quite a bit. So, but I do, I think it's important to take downtime, free time. I do tend to hang out with my friends, go to cinemas during holidays, during summer holidays. I also visit India every year. So yeah, I do take time to just relax. Yeah.
How do you manage your time? If
So
if I if I talk about my if I talk about myself, I'm hardly could just been manage my time, and I'm unable to been spare some time for me myself. But you're doing charity, you are managing your time, you're giving time to your study, and you said that you are meeting your friends, you're going to cinemas. But how it is possible? You do have been 12 hours of a day.
yeah. But I think so I don't so like things like social media, Instagram, Facebook, I don't spend a lot of time on that. I so every day I wake up in the morning and I write down like what I have to achieve today on a list of paper.
Uh,
And then
Good.
as I go throughout from day to afternoon to evening, I tick off everything. And if I've ticked off everything in my list, then I know that I have used my time efficiently. I do tend to sleep like 6 or 5 hours every day because I do have a lot of work, but I do make sure to get time. I do, for example, sit at the dinner table with my family and have dinner every day. So I think work is important, but obviously family bonding and just and enjoying life is also very important. But if you have a good timetable, a good work ethic, then you can manage a lot of stuff.
Okay. Aaron, I am just feeling in my feelings are very good talking to you, and you are inspiring the people. You are inspiring the people of your age. Or my before concluding the interview, I would like to ask you one question. What is the role of your parents? Do they permit you to do all these things, all these activities?
Oh, my parents are fantastic. My parents, from a very young age, my mom and dad have always told me to always target things with, always be ambitious and always challenge yourself. And my parents are always supportive. Any problem I have, I can always talk to my dad or mom about it. They help me in everything. If they already, they, for example, in my organization, for example, No One Will Sleep Hungry, my mom has helped me a lot in connecting to restaurants and NGOs in Malaikotla. And without their support and guidance, I would have not achieved anything. Definitely, like they offer so much care and warmth, and I think that's the beautiful thing about being a parent and just getting love of your both of your mom and dad. So it's wonderful. Yeah,
Main family sport is there, na?
yeah,
Your
yeah.
sport of your father, your mom.
Definitely, yeah, definitely, yeah. Always there. So the coding classes. So for example, in Oman, I've been giving free coding classes to students in different parts of Oman, and we've helped now 500 students. And I'm now looking to help people in Malaikotla with the coding classes. So I've been in contact with a few individuals in Malaikotla who can then learn from my coding classes. And because computer science and technology is very important in the modern day. Without technology and computer science, you can't really achieve a progress as much. And therefore, I'm using my ability in computer science to help out individuals in Malaikotla, especially students who don't have access to the same technology that I have. So I want to help out the community back in Malaikotla because Malaikotla is a very special place. You go there every year, so it's something very close to me. So yeah.
Uh, I said that I can help you out in finding some of the students of coding, and if you want some students from Blair Kodla, our platform, our channel will express your feelings to the people, and definitely some of the people will come in contact with you.
Yeah, that would be awesome. And as I said, I want to help out as many people in Malaikotla. It would be great if I can find as many students as possible.
Okay, Aryan, it is very nice to talk with you, and I'm grateful to you that you gave some time to us. And I'm really thankful that I will have some word with you. and in future will be connect, and I'll just make the people know something about you, your NGO, and about your abilities. And it is very nice. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be on the platform, and I hope I can help as many people out. Thank you.
ਇਹ ਸਨ ਅਰਿਆਨ ਸਦੀਕੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੋ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਓਮਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਔਰ ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਣ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੁਝ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਕੋਡਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਕਲਾਸਿਸ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੈ। ਆਪਣਾ NGO ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਲੋਟ ਮੋਰ। ਇੱਕ 17 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਾ, ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੀ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ, ਉਹ ਜੋ ਮਤਲਬ ਗੇਮਸ ਖੇਲਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਖੇਡਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਦੀ ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਜੋ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੂਰ ਨੇ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਏਜ ਬ੍ਰੈਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ, ਮਲੇਰਕੋਟਲੇ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੈਗੇ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਕੁਝ ਔਰ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ। ਔਰ in the end मैं एक गल कहूंगा कि बहुत अच्छी इंटरव्यू रही एज पर माय ओपिनियन, और मैं उम्मीद करदा कि बहुत सारे लोग इन्हू समझ पाउणगे, आर्यन साहब दी गल्लां नू समझ पाउणगे, और जो नहीं अगर किते कोई डिफिकल्टी आउंदी है इन्हां नू समझण दे विच, ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ। ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫੇਰ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਰਹਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਚੀਵਮੈਂਟਸ ਬਾਰੇ। Till then, thank you. Be with us on recent time.